So today we start the chapter number 13, sound. How is the sound produced? The vibration as a source or a cause of the sound. It means main cause of the sound so that the sound can be produced is the vibrations. If the vibrations occur, then only the sound can be produced. We have to show that a vibrating body produces a sound. It is a very simple activity. Material required is a thin plastic ruler, a rubber string, nail, a tuning fork, a rubber block and china dish. What we will do, we will hold the one end of our ruler firmly to the bench and fix the other end and flick the other end to make the sound. What we will do, we will fix one end and we will do flick other end. What we will see, this type of the movement will occur, and this type of the movement cause the ruler to vibrate, and that vibration will produce the sound. So for producing the sound, we will need the vibrations. Same is the activity number 2. Place your fingertips against the front of your throat. When you place the finger at your throat, you will feel some vibrations at your fingertips. These vibrations occur inside your vocal cords that we will discuss later on in this chapter. These will produce vibration, and as a result sound will be produced. Clear? So it means the necessity to produce the sound is the vibrations only. Next, activity number 3. Tie a one end of the rubber string to the nail on the wall. Pull the rubber string gently to stretch it slightly and pluck the rubber string with your fingers from the middle. What do you observe? This is a very simple activity. What we will do, we will plug one side and we will now pull it from the center. When we pull it from the center, what will happen? The rubber string move up and down, produces a sound. Now allow the string to stop vibrating. So do you hear the sound? No. Repeating the same experiment by stretching the rubber string more, what do you observe? We will observe the quality of the sound. Yes, the quality of the sound change with the tension in the rubber string. It means as we push it, vibrations will occur in the string. As a result, we will hear some sound. So all these activities reveal that if we produce the vibration, then only sound will be produced. Clear?